there's always like this comes up, this comes up, this comes up. You got to deal with it and move forward. What's up, everybody? It is Saturday. I've just been chilling afternoon. Again, working on personal stuff, some emails. I think this weekend I'm just gonna relax a little bit, get my head back in the zone. But yeah, I haven't done anything yet. It's already 3:30. I need to go for my cold shower, work on some stuff for my job too. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, peace. Cold shower, 35, done. Man, don't really know. I don't have many thoughts for today. 35 days in a row I've been filming content. Man, there's too much shit going on in my life. Getting married soon, just drafting the prenuptial agreement, doing all these different things, prepping, dealing with arguments and this and that, then arguments within family, falling out, selling my car, trying to perform at my job, building my business, having to maintain payroll. I mean, not getting any orders. It's just tough right now. So there's a lot of stuff going on. I'm trying to juggle it. Yesterday I had freaking terrible stomach ache after dinner. Now today I'm just feeling bummed out, and I just did my best to do my cold shower. It just sucked, absolutely sucked. Just laying in bed, trying to get over this. I'm finally better, stomach ache's gone, but just, oh man. Anyway, just doing one thing at a time. Like I said, we're getting done, but yeah, life's tough. You know, there's never really just a straightforward path on doing what you need to do. There's always like, this comes up, this comes up, this comes up. You got to deal with it and move forward. Anyway, we're getting through it. Like I said, one step at a time, day by day. Just keep going, keep showing up, doing the bare minimum. At least we got our cold shower and we did our prayer. And yeah, I need to do my workout. I got to figure that out. Just going to clean up a little bit, get the house in order, and then I guess just work on the business, emailing. That's about it. I mean, prospecting, cold emails is all I've been doing. All right. Well, I'll keep you guys updated. What's up, everybody? It's been a long day. We got our car washed, the one we're planning to sell on Monday. I have an appointment with the dealer. He's going to take a look, hopefully pay off the loan, get out of the insurance, and save a lot of money. So that's what we did today. We also, I'm currently working with Apollo.io. It's a system to do automated cold email outreach. Changing my strategy a little bit. I restarted it. Previously it wasn't working, but I set up a new sequence. It basically is set up to send an email every, one day, it'll send an email, send another follow-up after 4 days, send another follow-up after another 3 days, and then if they don't follow up after all those, or if they don't reply after all the 3 emails, then we take them out of the workflow. So something like that. I rescheduled my whole campaign to focus more on buyers and planners as opposed to engineers. So buyers and planners for like small to mid-sized companies in the medical device. So I'll have one sequence for medical, one for robotics, one for semiconductor, a different industry. And we're going to keep emailing and cold emailing and hopefully get responses. So I've been doing that. I mean, today's just been just a so-so day, but we powered through it. We got our cold shower done, everything done. So yeah, so that'll be the end of the video. I think once I get out of this little funk, like once I sort all my personal issues, sell this car, get my prenup done, get the marriage done, everything, the big personal things going on, it'll be a lot easier to film and be more engaged. But we're doing our best right now. We're showing up every day and just trying our best. Okay, that's day 35 complete. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.